You told yourself, just one more time. But here you are again. Maybe it's been days, maybe it's been weeks. Maybe this is your secret life. One you hide from others. And sometimes even yourself. And you keep failing. And every time it feels harder to stand back up. But hear this clearly. You're not weak. You're not broken. You're not your addiction. You are a person in pain reaching for relief. And right now, there's a way out. A real one, and it starts now. Addiction isn't always needles and bottles. Sometimes it's screens, sometimes it's sugar, sometimes it's just escaping your thoughts. But the loop is always the same: stress, craving, release, regret, repeat. You're not lazy, you're not evil. Your brain is just stuck in the survival mode. So here it is. The quickest way to start breaking the cycle. Step 1. Interrupt the pattern. The moment the craving hits, do not negotiate. Don't argue with it. Don't think. Just act. Stand up. Change your location. Splash water on your face. Breathe. This might sound small, but it's not. Disrupting the urge kills its momentum, and in that small pause, you regain control. Step 2. Speak the shame out loud. Action feeds on silence. It thrives in isolation. Right now, pause this video if you have to. Text someone. Hey, I'm struggling. Just needed to say it. You don't have to explain. You just have to tell the truth. Because shame can't survive exposure. The moment it's out, it starts to die. Step 3. Replace the reward. You're not just breaking a habit, you're replacing a reward. Your brain isn't weird to chase dopamine. It's not evil, it's efficient. So don't just replace the habit. Don't just remove the habit. Replace it. Like cold showers. Walk around the block. Deep breath for 90 seconds. Call a friend. Do push ups. Cry, scream, write, move. Don't judge how silly it is. If it competes, it works. The craving will come and it will lie. It will whisper, you need this. You've already failed. You'll quit next week. This is who you are. Listen carefully. That voice is not you. That is the addiction speaking. Speaking through fear. You are the one watching the voice. And that means you have the power to say, not this time. Step 4. Count your wins. Every time you resist 1 minute, you win. Every urge you interrupt is progress. Every truth you tell is healing. Every replacement you choose builds strength. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep showing up. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. You want a quick way to overcome addiction? Here it is. Start today. Start now. Start ugly. Because starting is what separates pain from power. Addiction isn't who you are. It's just a chapter. And you get to write the ending. Quick tips to overcome addiction. Use the 5 minute rule. Tell yourself, I'm not quitting forever, just for 5 minutes. Most cravings peak and fade between 5 minutes. So, if you can write it out for 5 minutes, you regain clarity. Number 2. Delete, block, disrupt. Delete the app, block the site, throw out the stash. Friction creates freedom. Make the habit harder to access than your alternative. Move your body immediately. Urges leaving the nervous system. When you feel it coming on, stand up and move. 30 jumping jacks, push-ups. Number 4. Create a craving survival kit. A bag or list with healthy distractions like cold showers, mints or gum, fidget toy, journal, meditating, your own voice memo reminding you why you are quitting. When the urge hits, grab the kit. Anchor to pain and purpose. Ask yourself, what is the addiction costing me now? What would my life look like 6 months from this? Don't just run away from pain. Run towards a vision of who you want to become. Say it out loud, like I'm having a craving right now. Name it, own it. Talk to yourself or someone else. This shrinks the urges and reminds you you're not your thoughts. Track wins, not perfection. Use a habit track, calendar, or notebook. Mark every hour, every day you resist. Build streaks. Let progress fuel momentum. Number 8. Relapsing isn't failure. If you slip, pause. Ask, what triggered it? What can I do differently next time? Then get back on track. The comeback is always stronger than the setback. Thank you for watching this video. And just by subscribing, you can make my whole day. I won't bother you anymore because you've got some work to do.